Welcome, gents. This is Zero MD Vlog 2020, episode number 6. Now, I got these pair from the mail. These are Chelsea boots. My mom bought it from me at a store in Manila, and these retail at around 8,000 pesos or $150. This is meant to replace these pair. These pair I posted on Instagram. These are classic style brown leather shoes, but since I bought it last September 2019, it's already showing wear and tear. Okay, my feet are vicious, as I said on Instagram, and it shows. If you remember last episode, I said that I went off from firefighter training last 2016, and because of that, one of the habits that I retained is walk with a purpose. During the day, I walk a lot, and some of my coworkers are couldn't catch up with me, and with all the walking that I do, and I need shoes that are built to last, so they can cut it with me. So when my mom saw my shoes last week at City of Dreams, Manila, she said, "You're buying a Doc Martens." My first answer was no, because at Doc Martens, the impression for me then and probably now is that it's a rock and roll style kind of brand. So I'm a classic style guy, and I'm afraid that it might not mix with my personality. But when we got to the store, my eyes only caught one pair. The Chelsea boots that are sitting on the way back on the store. The clerk, as usual, said, "Can I be of assistance?" I said I want a size 44. We only have a 43 and a 45. So I tried a 43 and the damn thing fits. When I look at the sole, it said oil, fat, petrol, and alkali resistant. So I knocked on the front of the shoe, and I found out that it's not steel-toed. It already looks like a firefighter's safety boots, but it can't pass because it's not steel-toed. But you know what led to the sale? Is that it's a cross between RMRS, Antonio Centeno's choice for a timeless dress shoes, and my standards for durability. Well, we're going to test it out. Probably in a few months, we'll give you a lowdown of how this is holding up. So stay subscribed to my channel. I'm not a fashion guru. For that, check out the link below in the descriptions to why I chose this Chelsea over other styles at Doc Martens. Anyway, if you like this video, let me know. And if you like this, check out my channel and subscribe. This is Zero Melia, medical doctor and firefighter from the Philippines, saying thank you very much for watching. Peace out.